everyone for the press conference to herald the birthday of Saint Francis Xavier, and we'll be having the exhibition to celebrate the birthday of Saint Francis Xavier, Goincha Sahib, Goincha Akaram. We have with us Father Victor Ferrand, the parish priest of Gorin Church, Mrs. Elsa Coutinho, she is the PPC coordinator of the church. Then I have our co-artist Sagar Naik Mule. I have Jordan, a young artist, aspirant. We have Darren, and with me I have Jason and Saviola. They are budding art aspirants. I have Enka Barreto with me, and there is Sarika, who is the coordinator for the exhibition, and myself, Raymond Pereira, the curator for the show. So once again, thank you very much, and we shall begin with the introduction of the exhibition by Father Victor.
Doing this exhibition comes because we are in a Jubilee year. For us Christians, the Jubilee year is this year is 2025. You see, when Jesus was born 2000 years back, so 2025 becomes a Jubilee. So that's the reason we call it a Jubilee year for us, and we celebrate the whole year. And this year we thought of having a Jubilee of the artist. While we are doing the Jubilee of the artist, we thought Saint Francis Xavier's birthday is a day because he is our patron, and that's the reason we decided to have a Jubilee of the artist on 7th April 2025. Now the theme we wanted was Goincha Sahib, Goincha Akaran. Now we want to, break the distance between Francis Xavier of the colonial times, one who came in 1542 and died in 1552. In 10 years time he became so big in South Asia, and that's why the theme came us that what is he to us today. So breaking this fossilized, frozen, great Saint Francis Xavier to one who is so intimate, very close to any one of us in Goa, both Hindus and Catholics. And that's the reason, and even the Muslims perhaps. What I am trying to make us understand that we intimately relate to Francis Xavier. So the whole theme, Goincha Sahib in the hues and shades of Goa becomes relevant to us today and very unique. We have not dealt with Francis of today, Francis of the Goans and Goa. When I use Francis, please understand it is Saint Francis Xavier. And so in that sense, we all have been happy to look at some colonial times history, that Francis. But the same Saint Francis has become someone bigger to Goans. If you look at even a fisherman, he puts Saint Francis on his boat, goes into the sea with confidence and faith and love, and thinks that the protector, Goincha Sahib, will look after him, will give him success. If you look at even a person who is sick in Old Goa, you must have seen, people are sick, they offer a hand if the hand is sick, or a leg is broken, of wax. A child is wanted, a couple will give a wax baby. And so we have made a lot out of this great saint. The fact that he is with us, we are for the first time looking at what we have made out of this great Saint Francis Xavier. What does he mean to us? Our intimacies. And therefore I am thanking all the artists, I am thanking the curator, I am thanking the parish council moderator, Mrs. Elsa Coutinho, and several of us who are sitting here, and all our parishioners, the entire parish council, who understood this idea that we don't have to only look at Francis who came and lived, who did great things and in South Asia, not just Goa. And we are looking at what Francis, Saint Francis and Goans have been for post death of Saint Francis Xavier, and therefore this is what has happened to us after his death. What Goans have done, along with our relationship with this Goan society, and now the artists have pictured it. We have been singing it, we have been writing about it, we have been talking about it, but we have not pictured it. This is the first time ever it happens on the soil of Goa that Goan artists, both Hindus and Catholics, it's a very inter-religious art exhibition. All of us are portraying what has happened after Francis Xavier. His body is kept in Goa, and till our point, even to today, what Francis Xavier means to us is embodied in various forms. As I told you, in rituals, in prayers, in going to the ship or boating, many ways. Goans have taken Francis very close to their heart, and this is what we want to do in painting.
You are speaking?
Yeah, now it's good. When selecting the artist, as we wanted some young artists to be there in the art exhibition, so I had a lot of tough time to select the artist. So I chose a few senior artists, then promising Goan artists who are just professionals, and budding artists, as you all can see. So when I oriented them for the first session, so we gave them the small talk about to look at Saint Francis Xavier for not who he is, but what is Saint Francis Xavier to them. For each of the artists, what is Saint Francis Xavier? So with this, a lot of sessions were held one-to-one. I tried to check on with their ideas. We deliberated, and then the final outcome was what you all will see on the 7th. So with this, also the artist worked with a lot of themes. Say for example, celebration, compassion, or sojourns of the travel of Saint Francis Xavier. And also artists use a lot of mediums like oil on canvas, acrylic on canvas. Some artists work with charcoal, and to add to the Goan soil, Sagar Naik Mule, he used Kavi art to portray his expression about Saint Francis Xavier. So this is all in a nutshell about the exhibition, and the exhibition, the works have come out so nice that we were struck with awe. Like, no, it was so wonderful. So I hope this exhibition will go and reach to the corners of the world as we proclaim the good news in this Jubilee year, and as the theme suggests, pilgrims of hope. So I hope also to the art we spread the good news as with the journey to the art. Thank you.
Costa, and I am from Borin. I am currently studying in 5th standard at St. Mary High School, Ponda, Goa. I feel truly happy and excited to showcase my artwork. I am grateful to my favorite parish, Father Victor, to encourage and supporting me to be a part of this event. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Saviola Cinderella Fernandez. I study in School of Symbiosis. I am 10 years old. I thank Father Victor and his team for having me to draw here, and I hope for many more opportunities.
What you have done? What your picture?
I have drawn Saint Francis Xavier in the hearts of Goans, and Goans in the hearts of Saint Francis Xavier. Thank you.
Thank you.
सांगपाक खूब उमेद जाता की बोरी सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर चर्च ही सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराची बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करता, आनी म्हाका बरें कितें दिसलें की आमकांय खबर नाशिल्लें की अशें आसा म्हणून ओल्ड गोवाचेंच खबर आशिल्लें. थ्रू हे एक्जिबिशनाच्या कारणान हें एक कळ्ळें की हें सेलिब्रेशन करतात म्हणून, आनी ताका लागून तेंच्यांनी बरो एक इनिशिएटीव घेतलो की गोंयच्या सगळ्या आर्टिस्टांक घेवन, यंग एज वेल एज सिनियर एज वेल एज सगळे आमचे यंग बडिंग आर्टिस्ट आसा तांकां घेवन हें करतात, आनी तितून भितर सगळे तरेचे आर्टिस्ट आसा. आमी म्हणटात गोंय म्हळ्यार कांय भेदभाव करनासतना आमी एकामेका वांगडा रावतात. सो ही युनिटी तुमकां एक्जिबिशनान पळोवपाक मेळटली, आनी हांव स्पेशली सगळे गोंयकारांक इनवायट करता की तुमी हे एक्जिबिशनाक मुद्दम येयात 7 तारखेक, आनी
म्हाजे हांव वर्काचेर मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदतां की हे एक्जिबिशनाक हांवें ह्याच देवाची पांयां माती घेवन काम केलां. सो तुमी तें मुद्दम पळोवपाक येयात आनी सगळ्या आर्टिस्टांक इवन चर्चीक तुमी सगळ्यांक एक हांव म्हणटा उर्बा दिवपाक लागून ब्लेस करपाक या. देव बरें करूं.
Menka Barreto. I'm a parishioner of Borim and also I'm very close to the church. So this whole journey of being in this exhibition and also being a participant as an art aspirant has been truly inspiring for myself, for an older version of myself. Growing up, I never thought I'd be venturing into art like as an artist. But over the years, I realized that I had a potential within me. So now I'm here as an art aspirant at Goincha Sahib Goincha Akaran. Working all over these days as a youth, going to the artist meeting has been even more inspiring and truly made me realize how everybody in Goa is connected and how everybody has a different personal connection to St. Francis Xavier. Now on 7th, I think I will be struck by I'm not even sure what, but I'm really very excited to see all of the works, and I'm very grateful to Father Victor and the core organizers for organizing this event because it has given me an opportunity to venture further into my hobby. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ann Fernandez. I'm 14 years old. I'm studying in Standard 10 in St. Joseph High School, Karachi, Roda. I'm really excited and thrilled about the photo of St. Francis Xavier, and I'm really looking forward to all the Goencas to come forward, encourage and motivate us, not only by myself but also the other young artists. Thank you.
This one wanted to.
Great day for us, and we are quite excited to have this art exhibition in our church hall on the occasion of the birthday of our patron St. Francis Xavier. In all, we have 21 artists and 15 art aspirants. This exhibition will be inaugurated on 7th April at 4:30 p.m. and will be on view from 8th April to the 13th April from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We are thankful and grateful to our parish priest, Reverend Dr. Victor Ferrao, for taking this initiative to have this unique exhibition, Goincha Sahib Goincha Akaran. Our artists are well guided by the curator, Mr. Raymond Pereira, who takes keen interest in connecting the artist and pays meticulous attention into the professional aspects of art. Our Xavierites youth are on their toes to interview the artwork of the artist and promoting the event on the social media platform. Our parishioners, friends, well-wishers have helped us financially, both in cash and kind, and I wholeheartedly thank them all. I take this privilege to invite you all for this exhibition.